yoink. Are you mad at me? No, you're chilling. Oh.
Can we eat this?
Oh.
Is that a capybara?
It's a capybara.
From the blizzard?
Yeah, probably. What if I eat this?
That's fine.
Oh.
Blizzard?
Oh yeah, it does save us.
Wow. No wonder the capybara is just like chilling.
Aww.
Okay, time to go.
Yeah. Bye, capybara. Oh.
Goodbye, capybaras. Have fun.
Capybara. Capybara, 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 capybara.
Can we have a capybara for pet? As pet?
I know this
cappy.
I know there's cappy. Sometimes rich people do, but sometimes rich people do things they're not allowed to because they have money.
That's why